just take my time, watch Fast and Furious instead. Just like the guy in the street race, in the first one.
Here we go. All right, Yuri, going down. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Perfect launch. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look at my side view there for Yuri. Woo! Yeah, baby! I live my life 0.4 kilometers at a time. Woo! Dusted.
So I got wheel slip there, pretty much no chance of winning. This time give me a whole bunch of lead and we'll see if you can catch me, wherever you feel comfortable.
Yeah, sounds good. By the time I saw you in my rear view, I had a couple lengths on you, so I'll give you like 5 lengths at least.
Jacob, when you feel good, that you think you can catch me, then you take off, okay?
And there goes Yuri.
Oh, there he goes.
Seems like a catch him. Oh. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Oh, it's gonna be close. Yeah.
All right, the Mustang is undeniably faster. That was good, Jacob. That was close.
Oh, that was so close. I was actually nervous.
That was a solid guesstimate, and I found my rev limiter. It's like 6,700.
Right on. Well, both cars aren't broken, so I think we kind of both won, even though I actually won.
All right, now let's get to the track.
Let's do it.
That was actually fucking hilarious, bro.
I was actually fucking so nervous.
Yeah, I'm like, oh my God, I got him. And then like, just you barely got me right at the end.
I think I gave you like 3 or 4 seconds. I'm not really sure.
That's exactly what I wanted to see. That was the most exciting part. Yeah, apparently the one when we went right with each other, I wasn't in like the proper grip. And that's why I slipped so much.
Oh, okay. You're on the side or something?
Yeah, just not like perfectly lined up. All right, now let's get to the track. But to make the video more exciting, I'm going to use my After Effects skills to show you what it would look like if the Civic and Mustang entered the corners at the exact same time.
Basically. Oh, she's all over the place.
A little rotation tap. Let's get pointed straight as soon as possible. Full on it.
I'm gonna go to second and just go around this time. I think that slowed me down last time.
Oh, you really slip on that chalk. All right, try not to get rickety wrecked through here.
Shout out to the guy that installed this insane tack. Oh my God, the brakes. No, leaving in third.
Woo, yeah. Lots of grip on these bad boys. Maybe not that dust.
Man, she just doesn't want to drift. She's got grip. That's the first time the tires have squealed.
All right, let's get pointed straight sooner. Maybe that is my car smelling.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it in third. Come on, Kyle. You can do this, Kyle. That's my car's name, just so everyone watching that doesn't know who I am. Here we go. Third, Toronto Motorsports Park. And I have no idea what my time is, but hopefully it's good.
All right, one more good one after this, I think. Woo! How was your lap?
It was terrifying, Yuri. Thanks for asking. I just wanted to kind of pack it in because I thought I was going to die at any second. My brakes suck, and the back end feels like it's following the front 5 seconds after I turned from the front.
Oh, that sucks. Okay, this thing is unreal. It actually feels just like a normal front-wheel drive hot hatch, except for the front
Hot
wheel.
hatch.
It is a hot hatch. Look,
mean,
it's on fire pretty much.
Yeah.
The front wheel was hitting the inner fender wall, the inner fender a lot, so it was kind of burning it away. But besides hearing click, 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 click from that, I'm like, it's fine, it's cosmetic. It felt pretty good, except the brakes are a little pulsy.
Well, the best thing about my car is how good the tires felt. Like, this had way too much grip for the actual chassis.
How was your first turn in there? Kind of sketchy?
Super sketchy. I went normal into the braking zone as if I was driving a brand new car, and I thought I was going to go up the wall.
Okay, this braking zone. Oops.
That one was okay because I started to just keep it in third and just back off on everything.
Okay, I started braking early on mine, but yeah, yours looks pretty...
It felt all right. Like,
you're hitting your cones and everything pretty much.
Oh, yeah.
Some of them I missed. It was coming in too hot.
Well, what I had to do in the next upcoming turn, you know where like that white stuff is?
Yeah, oh, that white
felt
stuff.
so slick that I went around it. So on this, I don't think it's the fastest way, but today it might be because I had to go around it. So watch this.
And then I let off through the chicane because I just didn't feel like putting it in the grass.
Yeah, I kind of.
And then started braking. I'm just like, and I knew I needed to get my downshift before the turn because if I brake too late, I can't time it to get on that little curb part.
Oh, dude, nailing those apexes. You nervous yet?
No, I'm not. I'm literally not nervous at all. I don't really expect my car to win.
Yeah.
You're the one who should be nervous.
I'm not nervous. This isn't a road course car. Yours should be.
I plowed out a bit more than I wanted to, but I'm also super sketched out by everything in this. Didn't know when to shift. I'm like, am I gonna like just blow the motor? So I guess I have the money I saved. I need to make my Civic faster now. All right, we are done at Toronto Motorsport Park. How did we do? Jacob was faster in the drag strip and faster on the track.
I won literally everything.
He got the burnout.
There was something.
He got the donut.
I want everything here. Yes. Every single thing here.
Do I get a bonus point if I can do a reverse J-turn?
Yes, absolutely. But that doesn't mean we're done.
Yes. So now we need to vote on which car looks better.
We're finding out live.
Okay, 62 to 38% for the Civic.
For the Civic, so the Civic won.
All right.
Yeah, I kind of expected that, not gonna lie.
Which car sounds better? You guys did the voting in the live video if you were subscribed to our channel.
Better exhaust, Mustang 75%, the Civic 25%, so I won.
If you aren't subscribed to our channel, you would have missed this vote.
Name suits the car in person better. 2 Urius with 73% and
right.
Kyle with 27.
Okay,
I expected that.
Now the last one, the Twitter vote of the best car overall.
Yeah, so far 2-1.
Let's go.
Twitter. Jacob and Mustang with 50.6 versus 49.4. Wow.
2-2.
Wow. Because it's live right now.
Well, it was live in the future, but it's behind us now when you're watching.
Yes, so you're up to 3 and I'm up to 7, but you also spent less money on your car.
Yeah, so I'm $3,000 less than you, so 1 point for every 1,000.
So there's 1, 2, and you're up to 6, and I'm up to 7.
So technically, Jacob wins 7-6, but we're not including pretty much a lot of other things like we can talk about, like underglows and more attention at car shows and stuff.
This is according to the votes.
This is according to the votes and
I won.
Stuff we set out. Jacob wins
Thank
this
you
challenge.
guys. I am so happy. Kyle is happy. Everybody's happy for the Mustang. The Civic is also super sick. We love that you guys watched this series. It was super fun to do. $5,000 cheap cars was actually very difficult to do for us.
And thank you to Toronto Motorsports Park in Cayuga. You guys made this possible. Thank you so much. Thank you for the drag strip. Thanks for everything. Thanks NV Auto. So guys, make sure to check out Toronto Motorsport Park. You could bring your cars here and lap and see if you're faster than Kyle and 2 Urius. Yeah, what have we learned from this? Is it worth it? Probably not.
Probably not if you actually want to do
YouTube.
Okay, you want to buy a $5,000 car, you buy something reliable like a Corolla. Don't buy something like this.
And if you want one of these versions all done up, probably spend like 10 grand. But
yes.
If you had to buy one of them for 5 grand, you'd probably get more value out of a Japanese tuner car than a muscle car.
100%. It's also gonna run better. It's gonna need less repairs. So if you wanna spend less money to get more, you buy one of these. If you wanna spend a little bit more money, you get one of those.
So we're gonna get the body work done on these, a lot of rust. Jacob's gonna repaint his. I might probably keep mine the same way. If you wanna help us continue to mod these out, we've got some stuff planned for the future, but for the most part, I think we're pretty done.
Yeah,
they're gonna stay in their fleet, and maybe if something cool happens, if you guys wanna partner up, we'll have a nice big update video.
Yeah, if any sponsors want to get on board, maybe some turbos, maybe some nitrous, maybe some superchargers, maybe some suspension, let us know.
And if anyone wants to get in on the next buying video, we've got an idea for a couple months from now. So sponsors, hit us up.
Yeah, because we kind of need these sponsors to do these kinds of videos because they're very expensive to do with our own money.
Good job imitating Top Gear.
Yes, and subscribe if you want to, if you're actually still here for the remainder of the series.
Hit notification bell. We'll do these once in a while, but the channel is going to be car reviews.
Click this playlist for watching all of our other videos from this series. Right here. Click right here. Thanks for watching.